I have a really cool car behind me today. This is a 70 Camaro. Dressed as a Z28, we have a beautifully dressed 350 under the hood with some nice modern amenities like air conditioning. We've got power disc brakes, power steering. We're gonna give you guys a full tour and a drive today in our latest arrival, a 70 350 4-speed Camaro. I love the look it's got going on. Red with the white racing stripes, mono bumper, good looking headlamps, good bit of bright work. There's a little bit of age shown on this bumper. It's not pitted up, but there's some light scratches in it. Grille looks good, no cracks. Hood release just under here. And voila. 350 with the 4-barrel on top. It's got an electric choke. As I mentioned before, it's fitted with things like power steering, air conditioning. It's got a dual master cylinder with the power booster behind it. Disc brakes on the car. Nice clean firewall. We got the original trim tag up on top of that cowl that's been all nicely refinished. Inner fenders look great, and the cherry on top is this nice aluminum radiator with the electric polar fan on it. Very nice. Seals up good. We'll shoot down the side of this car. Good looking Camaro wheel on here. We're riding on a 235/60 R15. That is a radial tire, of course. Date code on those is 2019. They're in great shape. Looks like they got all the life left in them. Good looking gaps, nice slick paint, dual sport mirror car. Bright work around these windows looks stout. Looks to be newer seals. Good door to fender gaps. Wheel arches look great. Love the tail panels and the headlights on these cars. Stripes continue into the spoiler, nice Z28 badge, dual exhaust of course. All right, we've got a full-size spare, a matching spare with the jack. Original trunk pan, the spatter finish, looks like original wheel wells, original quarters too from what I could tell. Sharp car. Nice and straight down the passenger side. I'll point out nice fitting rear trim, nice looking package tray. Deck lid fits good, all nice things. Shooting down the side of this car. Nice gaps, lines lining up. There's that other mirror. Z28 fender badge looks good. Side marker light looks good. That lower chin spoiler really makes this thing look tough. All right, doors open with ease. They repainted this car. They didn't paint over the latches. That all looks good. Door cards look nice. These are likely original. There's a little bit of wear on the top of the driver's side. The passenger side looks real clean though. Bucket seats all reupholstered. Nice plush foam. New carpet kit in this car looks great. Nice factory wheel with the wood grain. Love the wood inlay for our dash here. This shows 63,000 miles. Speedo runs up to 140. And we've got oil pressure warning lights, generator warning lights, a fuel gauge, temp warning light, and an analog clock down here. You got the factory AM radio and a very nice Hurst 4-speed shifter with the black ball on top. Our ashtray here. Glove box. Interior light working in there. Very nice. Nice carpet once more. Rear seats are in good shape. We got belts all the way around. A couple additional speakers here. Sail panels look good. Headliner looks great. Package tray in wonderful shape. All the clarity you could ask for in the rear glass. Dome lights working. Factory shoulder belts. Got the visors here. Looking good. That gearbox feels good, clutch feels great, speedo's working, not bouncing around. Man, it's a smooth operating car, that is for sure. Feels good around these turns. Downshifts nicely. Power brakes are doing their thing, as is the power steer. Small block's got great pep to it. Try out some of our vintage air controls down over here. All right, our heater is working great. And then you have a blue dial here you click on if you want this thing to blow cold. And you can hear that compressor running. And of course it's ice cold today because it's ice cold outside. Blower motor is working on all its different speeds. There's a great bump in the road here. We'll see what this car does. Very smooth overall the bumps. I like it. Quick recap on this car. As we mentioned before, power steer, powerless brakes, AC, and a 4-speed. This thing drives like $1 million. It's got coilover suspension and a whole lot of new consumables up underneath it. I was very pleased with every gear, the pull, the power, the sounds. It's a very sexy little package. If you want to know anything more about it, you can call us anytime. The number is 248-714-2110, or you can hit us via email. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Thank you guys for checking this one out. This one is up at $49,999. Then we are right here at LaFontaine Classic Cars in Michigan. And if you want to see what that car is lurking in the background, make sure you subscribe so it'll pop up for you without you having to go looking. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one.